Hello everyone, welcome to this bathroom tour of our first home. Here is a before. I don't think I need to say much about the dark purple paint, but basically we need to paint. There's also some fixtures that we would like to update. We need that curtain off the window ASAP, and then we were not huge fans of the linoleum vinyl flooring, so that was something that we had on our list to budget for. Fast forward to the reveal. What an update! It is amazing what some paint can do. The white was a no-brainer to open up the small space, along with some other updates that I will mention next, and of course the brand new flooring and a surprise brand new toilet. Thank you to our friend slash contractor.
So the first thing we did in here was rip up that terrible linoleum tile or linoleum sheet vinyl, and we replaced the floors with LVT, which is just like popped together flooring, and we picked this really beautiful neutral grayish brown that also matches our kitchen. I put in the cute little tension rod curtain there, and we normally keep backup toilet paper and just things hidden underneath there. We actually really love this beige tile. I think it's matching our vintage vibe, and it's just a very beautiful neutral color. We replaced the mirror along with the light fixture up here, and also put in dual towel holders on either side for us. We just have the typical cotton swabs and little things that I use every day, with some extra towels, candle. We kept the bar here because it's like in with the towel, or in with the tile, and then we added somewhat of a gallery wall, if you will. I just love this little western like bandana print that's actually green, so it kind of ties in with our bath mat and everything. Of course, a picture of the dogs, our wedding. This I ordered for our wedding to put in our future home. So this pennant was handmade and personalized on Etsy. This was also handmade that I purchased back in high school, actually. It was for a mission trip fundraiser. As you can tell, I love bears. So one year for Valentine's Day, when Britt and I were dating, he created this piece of art for me. So of course I wanted to display that. And who knew a toilet could be beautiful? This is exactly what I wanted over top of our toilet, and I just really love this vintage medicine cabinet. I think it ties in the colors really well, adds a little bit of a darker tone, and I really love it. I also love to keep this open during the day because it's so nice to have the natural light. Inside, nothing really changed here except for, you can tell we took out those silver bars and just used some filler because we didn't need them and I didn't want them, so it's more of a clean finish there. And it's just your typical shower.
And just behind our main door is our linen closet with all of our extra storage. So then the grand total for this budget-friendly renovation is right under $400. I hope you guys enjoyed and got some inspiration to do some little things in your own home. And stay tuned for the next.